Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build a project in Neovim. You need three things: the compiler command. This sets the compiler that you are going to use. The makeprg option. This sets the line command that you are going to use to build a project. And finally, you will need the make command. This executes the command. Okay. A very easy way to build a project is just open a terminal and run the command. This works fine if the project is small, but if the project is big, you have better alternatives. Let me show you with an example. Here I have a .Net project with some errors. I can just open a terminal and run the build command. You have the errors here, but maybe I would like to navigate in these errors. So you can do this with the make command. You just set the compiler, run the make command, and you can open the quickfix list and you can navigate in the errors. Okay. Okay, now let's do some examples. I have three cases. A .NET case, a Rust case, and a TypeScript case. For each one of these, I have a project. What I'm going to do is create a configuration for each one. So this is my Neovim config. And I think I'm going to create a special file, compiler Lua. I'm going to add this at the initial script. Require my compilers. Okay, now I'm going to do the first case, that is .NET. First, I'm going to create a custom command. Create user command .NET okay, and here I'm just going to use the compiler command, the makeprg option, and the make command. So let's do vim command compiler and .NET. If you don't know what compiler you can use, you can just type compiler and then tab, and you have all the compilers here. Now I'm going to set the option make prg. Remember that this is for the terminal command that you are going to use. So .NET build, and finally I'm going to execute the command with the make command. There. Let me open a new tab and let's test this new command. Okay, now if I type .NET, here they are. Maybe I would like the quickfix list is open after the build. So let me restart this. Now if I type .NET here, the project is built and the errors are in the quick fix list. Now if I want something for the Rust project, it is very similar. Hello Rust. Let me do it first manually. So if I do compiler Rust or cargo is the compiler for Rust, and now I do make. I missed the Vim option makeprg and cargo build. Now if I do make there, so now that I know the compiler, I just need to copy this and something like Rust compiler cargo. The command is cargo build, and everything else is the same. Okay, now let's test this. If I run Rust, let me put some errors here to test it well. Rust, I think the it seems that I missed the quick fix list open. So let's restart this. If I run Rust, there, and with TypeScript is the same. Let's do it. I'm going to close this. The command to build this kind of project is npx tsc. Let me see if there is a compiler for this. Maybe npx, no, type, no, maybe tsc here is. Okay, compiler, and let's see if we, in this case I don't need to set the makeprg option. Let's put some errors here. Let's do it again. Compiler tsc and make here. In this case I don't need the makeprg option. TypeScript compiler is tsc. I'm going to put the prg anyways. And npx tsc and there. Now let's restart this. And if I type TypeScript, there. So with any project you will do almost the same. Okay, so hope you like it. See you.